In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paid appointments on Calendly. 5 minutes. To start, open your browser and go to calendly.com. Click Log In at the top right, enter your email address, choose Continue, and then enter your password to finish signing in. Once you're on the Calendly home dashboard, we'll connect payments so people pay when they book. Open integrations and apps. In the gallery of options, choose Stripe since that's what we'll use for checkout. Click Connect with Stripe. A secure window opens from Stripe. Simply sign into your Stripe account and authorize the connection. This permission allows Calendly to collect a booking fee on your behalf and send it to Stripe. If you already use Stripe, your default currency and payout settings carry over automatically, which keeps everything consistent. When the connection completes, Calendly will show Stripe as connected in your integrations list, confirming everything is ready. Keep the same browser session open during this step so the handoff finishes smoothly. After you've authorized Stripe, return to Calendly. From the top navigation, open event types. Pick the event you want to make paid. This can be any one-on-one or group event you already have. Inside that event, look for more options to reveal additional settings and choose Payment. Here, select Get Paid by Stripe. You'll see a field to set the price. Enter the amount you want to charge for this appointment. Keep in mind that Stripe processing fees apply and the currency will follow your Stripe account settings. The price you set will be collected during booking, and guests will complete payment before their time slot is confirmed. This is also a good moment to make sure your event description explains what's included, your cancellation or reschedule policy, and any expectations clients should know before paying. If you offer refunds or reschedules, you can handle those later directly through Stripe. When you're ready, click Save Changes. That's it. The event is now configured to collect payment at the time of booking. From your invitee's perspective, the flow is simple. They pick a time, enter their details, and complete payment at checkout. Once payment is successful, the meeting is confirmed and shows up on your calendar like any other Calendly event, while the funds route directly to your Stripe balance. Guests will receive normal Calendly confirmations, and you'll have a clear record of paid bookings tied to each invitee. You've just turned on paid appointments in Calendly using Stripe end-to-end. This setup helps reduce no-shows, streamlines onboarding, and ensures you're paid before you commit time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new paid booking flow.